In this video, I'm going to show you how to see average entry and exit on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as a top-notch, amazing Twitter tracker, a wallet tracker. They have a P&L tracker as well as a great reward system, which will just reward you Solana back for just simply trading Solana. And then they have a turbo mode, which makes for faster fills and transactions. You can select your own presets and fees. They have some great filters to filter out the meme coins, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check that out. Now, to see the average entry and exit on Axiom, this is honestly a lifesaver and a complete game changer over here, which they added with the new update. So you want to go to polls up here. And then inside polls, of course, you can select whatever coin you want. I'm just going to go with a random one over here. And then here at the bottom, you can see different tabs. Now I'm going to make this bigger so we can see it better. And then if you go to top traders over here, you can see it says sold, average sell, which is the average exit price. And then over here is bought, average buy, which is the average entry price. And of course, you can see this, as you can see, for holders. And you can, I believe, see it for, there we go, for top traders. And then that's pretty much that. Okay, so these two are the ones you can see, but in case it's not showing for you, this is what you're going to have to do. On the right here, click on edit, where there's this cog button and says edit, and then make sure that show average entry and show average exit are enabled. So to the blue side, there we go, and then press done, and then you should see it over here in case you wasn't able to see it before. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.